The damage extends to the frame, passenger side. Confirmed. The bumper mounts are shifted back 2 inches. Keep pulling. It's almost straight. Just a little more. We're seeing the numbers change.
Check the fender gap. We need to be precise.
Line it up with the fender. A little bit more to the left. Grab that bolt. Okay, let's look at this fender here. I think it needs one more pass. Agreed. Let's start with the base coat now. Perfect. Looks flawless?
Yes.
Absolutely beautiful. Looks great. It's perfectly torqued and balanced, boss. Looks good. Perfect fit.
Perfect.
Done on my side, confirming. The dashboard is finally done. Looking sharp. Did you finish the center console? Just one more stitch. We're almost there. All right, system should be live now. Nice. Hologram looks sharp. Yeah, just connecting the steering wheel. Should lock in right about now. Perfect. Gives it a totally different feel. All right, this is looking good. Yeah, that gloss is perfect. The paint seems good, no major discrepancies. Nice. Let's check the panel gap. She's perfect. Best job we've ever done. Absolutely, legend.